In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the free download manager extension to Google Chrome step by step. This is a quick and easy setup, and once it's installed, you'll be able to manage downloads more efficiently right inside your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access different settings and tools. From there, hover over extensions. When you move your cursor over extensions, a submenu will appear. In that submenu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store where you can find trusted browser extensions. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, use the search bar and type Free Download Manager. After typing it in, press Enter or click the search result and look for the official Free Download Manager extension. Make sure you click on Free Download Manager from the results so you're selecting the correct extension. On the extension page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will then ask you to confirm the action and show you the permissions the extension needs. To continue, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will install the Free Download Manager extension automatically. In just a few moments, the extension will be added to your browser and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added the Free Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.